is the garden at 120 Fenchurch Street, and this is just going to be a really quiet POV video of the sights and sounds and views from this deck. Is it the top? Yeah, it's the top deck, so it's the 15th floor of 120 Fenchurch Street, and it's a 360-degree garden. It's at time of recording, it's just completely free. We just literally turned up, no tickets. It's not during the holidays, but we took about, 5 to 10 minutes to queue up and go through security, and then up a lift, and then this is the view. You can see Tower Bridge, Tower of London, St Paul's, Waterloo, Post Office Tower, BT Tower. And you can also see into some of the buildings and just gawp at the city workers who aren't working from home. The ones that couldn't get away with a bit of Zoom call action. But it's like going to the zoo. And look, over here there's the Gherkin. It's the, me and my kids know it as the Me Too Tower because it was in the series Me Too, not because there was a terrible scandal. But there's the Gherkin in the background. Down here, I've just seen it, you've got this view of Aldgate, just down there. But it's, 360 degrees, you can just walk around. Obviously some of the degrees are more pretty and amazing than others. But I'll just let the pictures speak for themselves now and let the music run. And it's just a really lazy video of where you get to see around the garden at 120 from the comfort of your YouTube screen.
Doors closing. Doors closing.
It's automatic.
Well, I don't know. Two centrals going down.